Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best dash cams in 2026 to protect your car, record accidents, or monitor parking 24/7, you're in the right place. Today, I've selected the top 5 best dash cams of 2026 based on video quality, features, reliability, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dashcam, 560-degree all-sides view. The BOTSLAB 3K dashcam is a 4-channel system that delivers a massive 560-degree all-around view. It records the front, rear, and interior, making it one of the most complete dashcams available in 2026. This dashcam is ideal for drivers who want maximum coverage and security. The 3K front camera captures sharp details like license plates, while the inside and rear cameras ensure full visibility. It features 24/7 parking mode, built-in GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and voice control, making it very user-friendly. The 3.18-inch touchscreen adds convenience, and a free 128GB card is included. Pros: 4-channel recording with 560-degree coverage, clear 3K video quality, touchscreen with voice control, built-in GPS and fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, free 128GB memory card included. Cons: premium features may be overkill for casual users. Installation can take some time. If you want full 360-degree style protection and advanced features, the BOTSLAB 3K is one of the best dashcams of 2026. Number 2. TERUNSOUL 4K plus 4K dashcam, front and rear. This TERUNSOUL dashcam records true 4K resolution on both front and rear cameras, offering exceptional clarity. It comes with built-in GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and a free 128GB card. The dual 4K setup ensures crystal clear footage day and night. The 170-degree wide-angle lenses cover more road area, while the G sensor automatically locks footage during collisions. It also supports 24-hour parking mode and can handle up to 512GB storage, making it great for long-term recording. Pros: dual 4K front and rear recording, built-in GPS tracking, fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, wide 170-degree viewing angle, large storage support. Cons: no interior camera, slightly higher price. This is a perfect choice for drivers who prioritize video clarity above everything else. Number 3. 4K plus 2K dashcam, front and rear, 2-channel. This 2-channel dashcam offers 4K front recording and 2K rear recording, combined with dual-band Wi-Fi, GPS, and night vision. It delivers excellent value for money with sharp recordings and reliable performance. The WDR and night vision enhance low-light footage, while the G-sensor emergency lock protects critical clips. A 64GB card is included, and the dashcam supports 24-hour parking monitoring. Pros: 4K plus 2K high-resolution recording, strong night vision with WDR, dual-band Wi-Fi, 5.8G and 2.4G, GPS and parking monitor, affordable pricing. Cons: no cabin camera, smaller included memory card. This is ideal if you want premium features at a mid-range price. Number 4. 4K dashcam with STARVIS 2 HDR. This 3-channel dashcam records 4K front, 1080p inside, and 1080p rear, powered by Sony STARVIS 2 HDR sensors. The STARVIS 2 sensor provides outstanding nighttime clarity, making it perfect for rideshare drivers. The interior camera ensures cabin safety, while GPS and 24-hour parking mode add extra protection. A 64GB card is included for immediate use. Pros: 3-channel recording setup. Excellent night vision with STARVIS 2. Interior camera for cabin monitoring. GPS and parking mode included. Cons: smaller memory card included. Slightly complex setup. This is a great choice for Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers who need both interior and exterior recording. Number 5. TERUNSOUL 4K plus 4K plus 1080p 3-channel dashcam, Wi-Fi 6. This premium TERUNSOUL dashcam offers 4K front, 4K rear, and 1080p cabin recording, powered by Wi-Fi 6 for ultra-fast data transfer. With IR night vision for the cabin and up to 20 megabytes per second Wi-Fi speeds, this dashcam stands out in 2026. Built-in GPS, G-sensor, and 27 parking mode make it extremely reliable. It includes a free 128GB card and supports up to 512GB storage. Pros: triple camera setup with dual 4K, Wi-Fi 6 ultra-fast transfer, IR night vision for the cabin, GPS and parking mode, large storage support. Cons: advanced features may not suit basic users. If you want the most advanced 3-channel dashcam in 2026, this is an excellent premium option. So those were the top 5 best dashcams of 2026. Whether you need full coverage, ultra-clear 4K recording, night vision, or parking protection, there's a perfect option on this list for you. All product links are in the description below. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.